Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Danish Zehen hairstyle. Section hair into 3 parts and start a loose Dutch braid at the crown, gently pulling strands to create volume. Keep tension light and add small sections as you braid down toward the nape, securing with a clear elastic. Finish by tugging the braid for a soft, lived-in look and misting with flexible hold spray to set without stiffness. Gather a small comb, clear elastics, and a lightweight texturizing spray to prepare hair. Begin with slightly dirty or product-free hair for better grip and detangle thoroughly to avoid snags. Practice the Dutch braid motion on a small section before committing to the full style, keeping your hands close to the scalp for control. Finish with a light mist of flexible hold spray and adjust pieces for a natural, undone finish. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy small comforts while styling, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfy feet during long tutorials. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides. They truly make standing during styling much nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start the braid by taking 3 sections at the crown and crossing the outer pieces under the middle to form a Dutch braid. Add small amounts of hair to each outer section as you move down, keeping the braid loose and slightly off-center for a casual look. When you reach the nape, finish with a simple braid or ponytail, then pancake the braid by gently pulling loops to increase volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.